You're not spiritually dry because God is distant. You're dry because your rhythm is off. And if your mornings are off, everything else follows. If you're waking up feeling tired, going straight to your phone, rushing into the day already behind, maybe feeling like you know what to do, but you're just not doing it. That's not a discipline problem. That's a rhythm problem. And I've seen this play out in real life. Before this, I worked in corporate, managing teams, handling group benefits for a multi-million-dollar brokerage. I wasn't just looking at numbers. I was also looking at health claims, stress-related illnesses, burnout, chronic fatigue, mental health breakdowns, people in their 30s, 40s, completely drained, not because they didn't care about their health, but because their daily rhythm was broken. At the same time, I've trained for years, competed nationally in bodybuilding, worked as a certified trainer, coach, and nutritionist. I've seen both sides. People look strong but are empty, and people who want change but can't stay consistent. And what I've realized is this: most people don't fail because they lack knowledge. They fail because they don't have a rhythm that holds. I went through that myself. Structured on the outside, but disconnected on the inside. Doing all the right things, but missing what actually mattered. And I had to build from the ground up. And that's where the 3-day reset comes from. Not as a motivational program, not something to overwhelm you. A simple, structured, guided rhythm to help you reset your mornings properly. Here's exactly how it works. The moment you sign up, you'll get your first email. That email gives you access to your private reset dashboard inside the Anchor Daily community, where everything is laid out for you step by step. Each day follows a clear structure. You don't have to figure anything out. You just follow the rhythm. Day 1 is about slowing down. You'll be guided through stillness, scripture, and reflection so that you can quiet the noise before the day begins. Day 2 rebuilds your focus. Simple, repeatable steps that help you stop reacting to life and start leading your day. Day 3 brings it all together. Movement, gratitude, intentional action. So what you believe actually shows up in how you live. And this isn't just about your faith and spiritual wellness, because your rhythm isn't only spiritual, it's physical, mental, and practical. That's why each day includes guided movement, simple stretches and routines to help you wake your body up, not just your mind. This is not yoga, no chanting. This is a Christian-based reset. Because when your body is tired, your focus suffers. And when your mornings are rushed, your whole day feels off. And you're not doing this alone. Each day, you'll receive a guided email walking you through exactly what to do next. You'll have your dashboard, your daily structure, and ongoing support through content that I share with you directly in your inbox, from scripture to fitness to nutrition, so you can actually build a rhythm that lasts. Think of it like having a simple plan waiting for you every morning. This isn't something that you have to figure out. It's something that you simply walk through. Imagine waking up with clarity, not chaos. Imagine starting your day grounded instead of rushed. Imagine finally having a rhythm that supports your faith, your body, and your life. And by the end of these 3 days, you won't just feel different. You'll understand what your mornings have been missing all along. If you're ready to reset your rhythm, start your 3-day reset now. It takes less than 30 minutes a day. I'll see you inside.